Hello, my name is Michael DeAngelo, and I'm going to cover how you use the habit program in GlassFrog. So first of all, what is the habit program? The habit program is a premium-only feature that provides micro lessons to everyone in the organization. And these micro lessons help identify specific habits or behaviors that individuals should have as you're striving towards becoming a high-performing organization, or if you're migrating to self-management. So let me show you how the program lesson as an example. So here is one called Name the Role That Feels Attention. And this particular lesson describes the importance of being able to identify the role that is feeling an issue or tension within the organization, assuming you fill multiple roles. And by identifying the specific role, you're more able to communicate the context for the issue you're having and more easily able to identify what might be the process for resolving or improving the issue that you're experiencing. So to use the habit program, there is a button on the lower left under the Help and Support menu called Habits. Now, if you have not yet enrolled in the habit program, when you select that, your screen will look something like this. And this gives you an opportunity to enroll in the program. Now, if you have enrolled in the program and you select this option, what you'll see are the lessons that you've already received and whether you've completed them or not. So in this particular case, I have received several lessons, not quite all of them, but I'm able to review past lessons. So I can reread something. I can also indicate whether I liked it or whether it was not helpful, and I can mark it as complete. And at the very bottom, there's a little extra note for a live Q&A session when the next one is scheduled, and then you can unenroll yourself from the habit program. And that's basically how you use the habit program in GlassFrog.